Hello everyone, today I bring you my new work. It is this fascinating and intricate shrinking scene depicted before you. This unique picture frame not only acts as a pendulum key, but is adorned with a row of delicately designed light bags on its top. Once I switch on the lamp and illuminate the embedded light strip, the inner scene bursts into life with vivid details. I am confident that the intricate artwork within the frame, reflecting the renowned masterpiece by Wang Ximeng, a celebrated painter of the Northern Song dynasty, will captivate your attention effortlessly. During the creation of this magnetic scene, I delved into numerous references, including high-resolution images of the renowned 1,000 Miles of Rivers and Mountains painting available online. Through this process, I discovered the complexity involved in transitioning iconic paintings into miniature dioramas. Factors like the meticulous selection of background materials and the precision in carving intricate hexagram patterns on the mountains play an essential role in bringing authenticity to such works. Moreover, I focused on minute details like the alteration in shirt colours to bring out the thematic essence. In the following segment, I'm thrilled to walk you through the step-by-step creation of this detailed and stunning miniature scene, an embodiment of the legendary 1,000 Miles of Rivers and Mountains.